Hello, everyone. Today is October 29th, 2025. This is the Kubernetes data protection working group meeting. So I think, um, so Carl, you submitted a cap, right? So I haven't got a chance to look at
Yeah.
it. So I need to review it. Okay. Okay. So I will take a look. And then the other thing is, I think we I think we are ready. We are actually ready to cut the release. The change log is already there. Now, Prasad, do you have permission to cut the release? You've
I
tried.
think so.
Okay, so I
Let
think
me.
first you need to create a release branch. Like you see here,
Hmm.
release 0.1. So now we do release 0.2. So first you cut a branch here, and
Hmm.
then you can do the release here, draft a new release. You switch this one to release dash
Yeah.
0.2, right? And then
Uh-huh.
I
Uh-huh.
release here. Uh, do we need to do both this is server side? Do we also we need to do a client side, right? We made the API change.
Yeah. Yep.
We need to do both.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. So this is all done. Save that.
Uh, I don't see an option to draft the release.
Oh, you can't? Okay, so let me think. Can't really. Okay, so you said you cannot create a new branch. What is the?
I can create a branch, but the option is
And then you
showed draft release, right? On release page that I don't see.
here. Oh, you here. You do not see a draft new release. What is?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What
I
are
don't
you
see it.
seeing? You see it?
Oh,
I see it, yeah.
Okay, then can you maybe you can do it just to make sure you pick the right branch.
Well, I have no idea how to do
Oh,
clients.
okay. So let's see. Have you maybe let's do it now. Prasad, you want to?
Oh, sorry. I was logged in with different account. I can see
Oh,
it. Yeah.
okay.
Good, yeah.
Yeah.
Is
Prasad
it
probably knows how to do it, yeah.
okay? The Ben is that's Ben? It is Ben, right? Ben S. That's looks different. So I just hello.
Hello?
Oh, okay, that's you.
Yeah, yeah.
Just it looks different. So I just I don't know if it's a
I,
new Ben.
I just installed the app on my phone and
Okay,
and,
okay.
and I'm in a rental car because my
Oh,
normal car got totaled over the weekend.
oh, oh. Sorry to hear that.
So yeah, we
Uh,
I'm having technical issues, but I'm here.
oh, okay, okay, cool. We're just talking about the cutting a release, the external snapshot metadata. We have, got all the, that change merged, so everything else merged, updated, the to the latest CSS spec.
Do we
Yeah.
do
So
we have a branch?
yes. So right now, I think we are just right now trying to do it because I think, uh, I want to see if, like Prasad, Car, if they can do it. I think Prasad. Okay, maybe Prasad,
I can,
Yeah,
I
Prasad
and
can
we,
can
we
try.
have the change log in the release notes and all the boilerplate stuff. So it's
Yeah,
just
it
the
is.
mechanics
It
of
is.
making GitHub tag it.
Yes, yes. Yeah, it's already there. Yeah, it's in the release note saying we made the API change of the get
Yeah,
metadata request API.
you
Yeah.
need you need pretty elevated privileges to do a release, if I recall.
Yeah, yeah. I thought they should be added to that group. So I know that last time this other person, what is
Rakshit had
yeah,
made
he
the
was
release.
able to. You see, he was able to do it last time, back in August. But I'm not sure you guys should try this. So let's just see what you have now. Because I think he submitted some PR to add you guys to this particular group so that you can have the
Hmm.
privileges. So try come here and then, try to, create a new branch first. Like you type in release dash 0.2 and then you say create, right? Like this.
Yep.
See if you can do it.
Yeah. I'm able to do it.
Okay, so it's created.
Yep.
All right. Why it still says Maybe okay, need to refresh.
Maybe you can refresh it. Yes.
Oh, okay, I see it now. Okay. You want to try again? Just come to releases, see if you other I mean Carl of course can do it. You
I can, yeah, I can see the option. Yeah,
you can
I
see
can do the draft.
draft new
Yep.
release now? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay,
Yep.
that's good. I thought that would be weird if those are two different permissions. Okay. So yeah, if you come here, you just change this to release 0.2, and then you can select tag would be V 0.2.0, right? Yeah.
hmm
So you can, yeah, you can do that off later. It's fine. So
Of
as
course.
long
Yeah.
as you have, you can just look at the previous examples and see how to add the, those information. We need to add some information, right? So here, uh,
Hmm.
Sure.
yeah. So you just need to update those. Oh, oh, I didn't do that yet. Oh, okay, okay. I need to, I need to up. So okay, I need to update this one. Because so what happens is when you cut the release, the container wouldn't be promoted yet. So I sometimes I just do this. I will update this later. I think this apparently I forgot. Nobody complained. I guess nobody used it. Um, so I use it. Usually I just put a note here, say container to be released, and then we need to uh, run this thing on this other place to promote images.
It,
That I can help.
yeah, the release is just going to create a tag. Is all it's going to do. A tag and some artifacts. The
Right.
build of the container is like managed through a separate repo where you have to make a PR.
Yeah, but I think the image actually will be built by this. So when you release it, we have automatic. I suppose you have that set up, right? So it should build a image, but it's going to be on the staging repo. It's not going to be in the final
Yeah,
production
yeah.
repo. Yeah, to make
Well,
moving
and that's what you
production.
want, right? Because
Yeah,
you want to go to the staging repo, download that image, test it,
yeah.
and make sure that it works
Right,
before you promote it.
right. Yes, yes, yeah. So yeah, then that's the, so there's another. But after this is done, then we can do that part. That part I can help you later because it takes some time to build the image. Uh, so yeah, yeah, you need both, but you basically you need to release both the server side and the client side. Okay, so then I think then we should be good. Um, yeah, you can just post in the channel, letting us know if you're done. Okay, so I think we can remove all of this because those are all done. I think there are too many things. Blocks. I'm not sure about the third rotation, but I think um that this is done. Oh no, this is actually not done yet. This is just this is not necessarily directly related to snapshot metadata. It's KK's go mod. It's separately. And then okay, I will remove this app because the error code we already changed this,
Yeah.
and this is also done. I just remove this one. Vendor, I think, yeah. So just keep this here. So I think then that's it, right? Then so there's a cap. So Ben, there's a cap is updated. Please take a look. So there's a link here in the doc. So Carl updated the cap with all the latest changes.
Which cap is
Oh,
this?
the
On the
the just the same CBT cap,
3314.
right? Basically, he updated it with the new changes.
so you want me to review the because I think I reviewed it before and approved it. So you
Oh,
want me
okay.
to?
Oh, that then
Uh,
that's okay. I think that's okay. I just for your information, I think yeah, this seems to be very straightforward. It's okay. I think I can take a look. It's very straightforward. It's not a lot of changes. Basically, those are just uh, kind of repeating the changes we made in CSI and in the sidecar, basically. Yeah, it's okay. I think I can review this one. Should be,
okay.
should not be controversial. It's just the existing stuff that you have already approved earlier. So, mm, okay. Yeah, just for your information, it's there. Um, okay. So we can get those merged first. And then I think would be good if you also submit we can do them separately. I think we can get those changes in first, but then you can submit another PR just to update the milestone and then fill out the PR section. You should get that started, I think. Because 1.36 is, it will start soon. So because right now this PR basically is just this PR updates the changes in CSI and sidecar, right? So I think we still need to have a cap moving that to. Okay, I'll just put it here. There's still to do. Submit PR for cap. Yeah, I think we still need to have something because then you need to fill out the PR. That's, going to take some time. And then also need to start to look at, see, hey, what is there anything missing? First to move to beta, right? Just to like take a look of the like what I require. I know we probably filled it out last time. I don't remember, but I think we only have that for alpha, so maybe we don't have everything yet. Yeah. So I think this one probably takes some time to fill out.
I think the main requirement to move to beta was having a couple of implementations, right?
Yes.
At least experimental implementations. Not
Yeah.
they don't need to be production quality, but enough to poke the API and
Yeah.
prove
Yeah.
that like the API is sane.
Yeah. How many? I think we remember we talked about this last time. Is still okay. Is it still the same? We just says I think last time I remember we said something like two,
Two
two,
two independent implementations of each component. I mean, in this case, there's both an SP component and a backup
vendors.
application component.
Yeah.
You'd want two of each of those.
Yeah.
And you'd want a demonstration that they interoperate
Yeah.
to some degree.
Beta criteria. Interop. Yeah, okay. And do we still do we still need more E2E tests? Because those has to be E2E test has been merged before we merge the cap for moving to beta. So E2 test, I think that there's a to do here. Evaluate what has been done. I know we have some tests, but what is the status of test coverage? Do you guys know?
Tests are mostly about going from beta to GA, not alpha to beta.
No, for beta we
I
require
think.
E2 for beta we require E2 test. Actually, the test not only we need E2 tests, also they need to be merged before we merge the cap. So
Okay. I
that's
mean that's kind of aggressive, but all right.
yeah, that we have been doing that for a couple releases now. So yeah, so that maybe we need to check. I think we have E2 tests. I just don't
We
remember
have
it.
E2 test in the repo, external snapshot metadata repo. But I guess
Oh,
there
oh,
are also
we
E2 tests
had.
against Kubernetes repo, right? The
I
third
thought
party
I thought
integration,
we
something like that.
I thought we have some tests in Kubernetes repo. No, I somehow thought but
There
I don't
was a
remember
PR.
now.
Yeah, there was a PR. I'm not sure if that is
Oh,
merged.
maybe it's not merged. So I think that we need to follow up on that one because E2 tests can take a long time. If you don't have it, it takes a long time, and then of course it takes time to review and get that merged, right? Because we also need to add a test, right? So you need to change the config and all of that. It's not just writing a test. Do we have testing? Okay, where's our testing here? I don't remember we have test written inside.
Oh, we do.
I saw the Prasad mention some of the
In
testing.
the if you go through, I guess it's a what is the GitHub whatever those
Actions.
actions, yeah.
GitHub Actions. So
Dot,
here, under here?
Yeah.
workflows.
Oh, like this?
Yeah,
Integration tests. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so this one basically just okay, feed the image and then test this. Okay, so we have something. Yeah, we also need E2E test, I think. Yeah, I think.
I don't know. Was it Abhishek who was doing that, Prasad? Do you recall? Not sure.
Yeah, Abhishek or Praveen, someone.
I mean,
I'm looking for the PR. I think it was merged, but let me check.
Yeah, so it would be good to, add those links here so we know where we are. Let's see. We don't know if there's any information here.
There is a
Send
PR,
to
but it's
test.
closed, I think.
Oh, because no review or just a lack of progress.
I just posted the
Oh.
link in the chat.
This is just adding a job though. Where's there should be a PR adding the test itself, right? So we need to add the job also. This one's adding a new job. Okay. Mm. But where's the test? We submit the test somewhere?
I think it invokes the script from the repo itself, the external
No, but
snapshot metadata repo.
the test is not submitted to KK, it's submitted to external snapshotter metadata. I don't think that would work. I don't think we ever have some test like dependent on a external repo. You like dynamically? Was it you use image or what? I'm actually not sure how. Because if
Yeah,
you look at the existing tests, right? So Snapshotter has some tests. Those are submitted in KK and then
mhm. Yeah, it looks like it just uh, execute. I mean, it calls the script from the external repo.
yeah, from the metadata repo, yeah, run snapshot
Yeah.
metadata E2E. Yeah.
hmm.
Actually, I don't even see that file.
Yeah, I don't know what this one does actually. Okay, so it sounds like we have a lot of work to do actually. If you don't know E2 test, then we can't even merge the cap for beta. Your current cap is okay. The PR you submitted because that one does not change the milestone. That should be okay. But it's just if we say we want to target beta in 1.36 and the E2 test itself has to be merged first.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think so.
And there's a test. Linux kind of things. Should probably ask Praveen to follow up and reopen it and push it. Yeah.
Yeah, not sure what is this plan to just read the test in external metadata snapshot metadata repo.
Actually,
The
it's not from the
test.
external snapshot metadata report. It looks from kind.sigs.kates.io. That was the
Yeah, but that's the cluster, right? The deploy kind cluster, but where is the E2? Usually E2 test there in KK. I'm not sure where is his E2 test.
best
That I'm
best.
not clear. Usually if you go, but I'm not sure what's the plan for. I don't remember how we probably
Best.
discussed this before, but I do not remember. Like usually the tests are like test here, right? E2 tests. So yeah, if you go here, there are some, storage tests, right? So KK, and so there are tests for snapshot here, right? So, but not sure what is the plan for this.
Which is this branch? This is Kubernetes Tree Master.
This is a Kubernetes, yeah, but ours is all auto tree, right? So we
Yeah, there is another PR on this repo
in this repo,
that is
okay.
also closed. Yeah,
Oh,
I think
okay. Then okay. Then
this is what we are
yeah.
looking
I
for.
thought I see something. Yeah, I remember vaguely remember there was something. Okay, so maybe he did.
Yeah.
Okay, he did try to. Okay, all right. Yeah, right. Okay, so yeah, because it's it's not easy to do this really just in our in the external repo at this point. I think we actually added some tests in external provisional repo for the like change volume mode feature. But that kind of add the dependency of KK into external provisional, which actually creates some problems when we are trying to update. Uh, when I've tried to update dependency, all of that, that actually have some issues. So, okay, so maybe ask him to follow up. He does he also work for Kasten?
Mm,
Or is it from different
yeah,
company?
he's IBM.
IBM. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, if you can maybe just pin and see if he can, try to revive those things.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. So we still have some work to do for that. And then yeah, so this is all merged. So those are all merged. So this is done. Please. Let's cut. Okay, so I'm not sure if there was any update for the white paper. If there isn't, then we can skip that. Are there any other things folks want to discuss today? Or are we all set? Then that's it for
Yeah.
today. Right.
Xing, I just
Yes.
published the release. Yeah, maybe
Oh,
you
okay.
you
Let's
might
see.
want to check the
Take a
containers.
look. Okay, let's see. Kubernetes version.
The version I copied from the previous
I was
release.
thinking, yeah.
Do we need a client V0
We
point?
do need, yeah, we need that. Yeah, we need a client because we made API changes, right? So
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah. So yeah, I think this is probably fine. And then I'm just wondering if we need to change recommended Kubernetes version to because 1.34 although it's not really strictly related to Kubernetes, so I guess maybe it's okay.
Probably works in earlier stuff too. So
Uh,
it's a minimum, so it doesn't matter. Yeah.
yeah, there's a recommended. Usually recommended meaning like in other sidecars, recommended meaning if there's a new feature, we may recommend you to you say if you want to use this feature, you use that feature. But in our case, it's not. There's no strict dependency on
Yeah.
Kubernetes, so it's like
Yeah.
it's
In the,
not.
in
It's
the
totally fine.
documentation, the minimum is 1.10 and recommended is 1.33.
1.10. 1.10, that's
That's
CSI.
a CSI document. The
Yeah,
CSI.
CSI. Yeah, CSI. CSI
Sorry, that's the
CSI?
minimum CSI version. Sorry, minimum
Oh,
Kubernetes 1.33. Yeah, so
yeah,
it's
I'm just
fine.
saying, I was just trying to, I was debating whether we should change the recommended, but I think probably no need.
I think it's
No,
fine.
no,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's
CSI spec should be fine because we just changed we made some changes in the language, right? So support it should still be, yeah, this should be still
yeah. So
fine.
so that means the book also should be updated then. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think this is probably, support is still be fine. I think that's
Yeah.
supported. It's not like we don't support, just we change the language, so
Yeah.
maybe it's okay.
That's only a language change though, right? That's
Yeah, it's only language change, so it should be okay.
okay. Yeah.
So yeah. So I think that looks good. And then yeah, and then release the client. I think when you release client, don't take the latest because that you
Hmm.
usually you want to show server as the latest. I mean client it's yeah. So just don't take the latest. So this way this will still be the first one showing up.
Latest. Yeah,
Yeah.
makes sense.
It's I think this looks good. Okay.
Okay,
Anything
cool.
else? All right then. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye bye.
Right.